Okay, I think you must be okay with all of them, because initially we use the concept of linear angle, like in question number 9, question number, yeah, okay. See, in all of these you use the concept of linear pair. What is the linear pair? Can you tell me quickly? Pair of angles, as the name suggests, whose sum is 180. That means two angles, pair of angles that are supplementary are linear pair. In the question 8, it is a straight angle, that's why their sum should be 180. That's why we use this concept and got 42. In 9th, we use the same concept of linear pair and we sum up them to get 30, that you understood. In this 10th one as well, these three sum up to give you 180, that's why 5x plus 30 is 180, that's why x is 30. And now in the question 11th, you got 260 as, if it is 50, the linear pair says it is 130 and vertically opposite is 130, that's why their sum is 260. Actually they ask for the same. And in the question number 12th, what we did is, this is 47, that's why this is 47, and x is going to be 47 because we are considering them as corresponding angles since AB is parallel to CD, and y is going to be linear pair with 47, that's why it is 133. 47 and 133 is option C. Now come to the question 13 and tell me your answer. Yeah. Okay. Okay, all right. Okay, for this you must have got your answer, x and y. Actually, this is x, which is 5, which is in the ratio Yeah, 1 minute. Okay, you were doing this x and this x, that means x plus y sum up to give you 180, isn't it? And that is why the value of 9 need to be 180. That's why 1 is equivalent to 20. And in this way you can get the value of 5 equal to 100, 4 equivalent to 80, and they ask for z. The z, x and z are actually supplementary. That's why z need to be equal to y, isn't it? Because they are alternate. And y over here is 80. That's why z need to be 80. Is it your answer? Okay, now come to the question 14.
Sir, I've got my answer for 14.
Okay, then let's discuss 14th. In the 14th question, what's your answer? First tell me that. Okay, in the question number 14, what you need to do is they all are parallel to each other. That's why this 65 need to be this. Yeah, but these transversal are not same. That need to be there in your consideration. Yeah, they want you to tell these two. HKL. If this is 30, this need to be 30. This is very important point to remember. And they all are parallel. H K and L. Okay. Actually these two are, as they are parallel, that's why this angle G and this angle need to be same. This is 65, this need to be 65, and that's why this is 115, and 115 plus 30 is 145. Is it your answer?
Yes, sir. Sir, can I tell my method that I use?
Yeah, you do tell that yours.
So, first I took out HGF, which was also 65,
Okay.
and to that I took out DHG. So that means I'll subtract 65 and 180, and I got 115 as HG.
Okay.
Then and because of that, I know that uh, 30 plus DHG is going to equal to HKL. So I added both of them, and I got 145 degrees.
Okay.
Yeah, then yeah, that was my answer.
Okay, fine. Because yeah, yes, you have to extend it, and yeah, okay, all right. Okay, even your ways are correct. Okay, answer 15th.
Okay.
What should be x? How to guess that? You can do this. You can draw a line parallel. Then this need to be 15,
Yes, sir.
and this need to be 110. That's why
Yes.
this need to be 110. That's why it is 125.
Oh, okay. Got it.
We can do some constructions to get our answer. Okay, all right. Come to the question 16.
Okay. Yeah, sir, I got the answer as 54. C.
Okay. You can deal it like this. If this is 72, this is 72, isn't it? And this is how much? 10
This 193.
108
Yeah, 108.
108 plus 18 126, and 180 minus 126 54. Is it your answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the questions are quite interesting, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come to the question 17.
Sir, this one I think the answer should be 115 B.
Okay, L is parallel to M, it is mentioned here. That's why if this is 70, this need to be 70, and this need to be 110, and this is 140, that's why X is 140. It's 40, Kabir.
Sir, for question 17.
Okay, okay, for 17, yeah, all right. If this is 65, they want you to tell CFE. Yeah, you can draw it. Okay, this will be 65, and this will be 180 minus 65.
Yeah.
Is it 115 that you got?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Come to the question 19.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I've got my answer. I got 48 degrees, part A.
Okay. Okay. It's easy to answer because it is 90, and this 130 must be sum of 90 and p, isn't it? That's why p should be 138 minus 90. That's why it's 48. Is it your answer?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, for the question 20, have you got your answer for 20 as well?
Sir, just doing it. Yeah. Sir, I'm getting my answer as 65 degrees.
Okay, 65 degrees your answer. Let's check this. If this is 58,
Yeah.
this should be 58, and this x should be 58 plus 32.
Sorry, sir, so the answer should be 90, yeah, not 50.
It should be
Should be
90.
90.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exterior angle in a triangle, exterior angle is this. That must be sum of interior opposite, and sum of all three you already know, it's 180.
Yeah.
Okay, if two angles of a triangle are complementary, then it is,
So, complementary and
if two angles of a triangle are complementary, that
one.
means if one angle is 30, another is 60,
Okay.
that means it is 90.
It's a right angle triangle, right?
Yes, it is a right angle triangle.
Okay.
If two angles are complementary, then remaining one is also 90, because some need to be. Okay, answer this 22nd.
Okay, understood. Sir, the answer should be C, 35 degree.
Yeah, it should be not 35, it should be 55.
How, sir?
Because exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite. That's why this x plus x is 110.
Okay, okay. Makes sense.
Okay, come to 23rd.
Oh, sir, it's a right angle triangle.
Okay, 18. 18 is equivalent to 180. That's why 1 is equivalent to 10. Yeah, one angle is 90, one is 50, another is 40. It's right angle triangle. Come to the question 24.
Sir, the answer should be C, obtuse angled triangle.
An exterior angle is drawn to a triangle. If this exterior angle is acute, then the triangle must be this exterior angle is acute, then triangle must be obtuse.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Come to 25th.
Sir, should the answer of 25 be A, 84 degree?
If the measure of each base angle of an isosceles triangle is 7 times the measure of the vertex angle. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is the vertex angle. Let's say this is x, this is 7x, and this is 7x. That means this 15x is 180. That means x is 12. Then the measure of vertex angle is 12.
Okay, so 12 into 784, that's okay, so 12.
Okay, come to the question 26.
Okay. So should the answer be A 100 degree?
Okay. If the vertex angle of an isosceles triangle is 80. Okay, if the vertex angle is 80, then remaining two must be 100. That means 50 each. Okay, vertex angle of 80. Then the measure of an exterior angle to one of the base. 130. 130. What you got? See,
I got
this is vertex angle which is 80. Then these two must be 50-50 because it is isosceles. Then exterior is 130. They ask for the exterior.
I thought the exterior of the vertex angle.
No, no, not exterior of vertex. Exterior of base, they said.
Okay.
Answer 27th.
So I can't see, I think, one of the letters. I can't see.
Okay, 1 minute. I can scroll it.
Yeah. Oh yes. What? Hello, sir. So for the 27th question, I got my answer as B 77 degree.
Okay, alright. You appear the next one as well. We will discuss together.
Okay. So
Okay, all right. Okay, for 27th, you should get your answer as 27th one. They ask for BAC, this one. Okay, if this is 127, this whole should be 127. That means 127 minus 50 should be your answer.
Yeah, sir, I'm getting it.
77 is correct answer. And for this x, if you want, if this is 110, and this is 150. Actually, the sum of all these is 360. That's why 360 minus 260, that is 100. Is it 100 that you got?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Sir, can you also send me these questions?
Yeah, sure, I will do that. I will share all the questions at.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
And sir, for next class, I have a practice paper, the school practice paper. I think I'll send it to you in the class, and then we can do that if it's fine.
Yes, yes, sure, why not? Okay, let's answer quickly 29 and 30.
Okay.
It's so easy, let's do it quickly. If this is 94, then
Yeah.
yeah, if this is 94, then sum of interior is equal to exterior 2. You can use that concept, and that is why your BAC, angle BAC, let's consider it as what happened. Okay, this angle and this angle should give you 126. That means x plus this y should give you 126. And okay, and this y you can calculate. How much is this y?
Sir, the Y would be 86.
it would be 86, definitely, exactly. 126 minus 86 you need to do to get your x, that is 46. Is it your answer? No, no, not 46, exactly 40.
It's for exactly 40, yeah.
Yeah. And this x, if you want what to do to figure out this, you just need to calculate this one first, and in order to get this you need to use 25 and 50. It's 80, that's why this is 100, and that's why this is 80, and that's why it is 120, sum of these two.
Yes, sir, I got what to do.
Okay, these are simply property based. Come to 31.
Okay. Sir, what would be the answer for 31?
31, if one of the angle of an isosceles triangle, they said isosceles triangle, it can't be 125, otherwise both need to be 125. Actually other two need to be 180 minus 25.
Okay.
You can assume them to be x 125 should be 180, that's why 2x, it's in decimal obviously. Then the angle between the bisector of the other two angles, but they don't want you to tell me this angle, they want you to tell me this angle, bisector.
Okay.
Okay, then what is 2x? Let's determine that.
Okay.
55. 55 over 2 is your these two angles, sum of these two. Then this is going to be 180 minus 2 2s are 4 and 27.5. Okay. 152.5 it's coming.
Okay. Yeah.
Come to the question 32.
Sir, I forgot I had a class at 6 also.
Okay, okay, okay.
What about that? Yeah.
Okay, then all right. You can appear them. I will share this to you. Actually, there are a lot of questions, but they all are easy. You can appear them at your place. There are
Yeah.
total, you can see here, these are 6 pages and there are total 50 questions that I have presented here.
Okay.
And I will share this entire question set to you and you can appear. And if you have any doubt, you can ask next class as
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
well. Okay, most welcome.
Nice.
Bye bye.